Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Claire and I put out videos about luxury bags and accessories. So if that is your thing, please click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, you know when I upload a new video. Okay, as with my most used bags of 2024 video, I am a bit late with this one, but I still thought it was worth doing. This is my favourite purchases from 2024. This is not my best purchases from 2024, and it doesn't include any worst purchases because I bought quite a lot of different things in 2024. Bought a few bags, bought loads of shoes, bought quite a few other luxury items, and I love most of them. There's only a couple of things really that maybe I'm a little iffy over, and perhaps I'll mention them in a future video. But everything else I bought last year I absolutely love. But some things I do love more than others, I guess. So that's why I thought I'd do my favourites. So these are some of the items I bought in 2024 which absolutely bring me joy and are my complete and utter favourite items that I bought last year. And I'm so happy and stoked that I got them. Okay, so let's start off. One of the first things I actually bought in 2024, I think I bought them in January, were a pair of Roger Vivier shoes. Now these are I think these are the trompette or bell trompette or something like that. I got very confused at the time as to which was which. But these are the low heel ones, and they're grey and they have a silver buckle. They are so comfortable. They are very well worn. You can see I've worn them a lot. Yeah. These were such a great buy last year and I absolutely love them, and they are fast becoming a pair of my favourite shoes, you know, apart from certain Fendi Colibris obviously, but you know, they're up there with the Colibris. I do love these. I actually wore these for a trip to London one day last year, you know, and they did not hurt my feet walking around and going on and off trains and so on. So yeah, these are fantastic shoes. I really would at some point love to get another pair, maybe a higher pair, or maybe, you know, a pair like these with the low heel, but in a different colour. So yeah, watch this space. I'm sure at some point I'll get another pair of those. Sticking with shoes, I bought these pre-loved. They were such a good price. You may remember me unboxing them. My Fendi Colibris with the pink flowers and the sort of black and white or black and cream gingham check, and the, unbeknownst to me until I actually unboxed them, the kind of bamboo style heel. They are the smaller Colibris with the 5 or 5.5 centimetre heel. Absolutely love these, and I got them for a steal. Trying to think back, I think these were the ones I got for about £180. They weren't used, they weren't worn, they're pre-loved, but they'd never been worn. They have been worn now. I have worn them. Absolutely love them. I've had such fun styling them in the summer in 24, and yeah, I wish I could have worn them more actually. I wore them a few times, but absolutely love these. So they just make me smile. Another item I bought last year, which I absolutely love, are my Fendi First sunglasses, and these look like that. I think they look very cool. They have the silver hardware down the side, the Fendi First sort of F. Most of my sunglasses have got gold hardware. I love my Celines, I absolutely love my Celines, but they have gold hardware. So these are my sunglasses with silver hardware, which matches my jewellery. So when I want to do matching jewellery, and sometimes when I want a slightly more edgier look than my Celines, I will go for these. So yeah, I'm so pleased that I got these, that I decided to buy these, and that's my Fendi First sunglasses. Okay, moving on to bags. The first luxury bag that I bought last year was my Fendi Rafia Baguette, and I am so pleased with this bag. It brings me so much joy. I absolutely love it. I wanted a raffia style or straw style bag in this sort of colour with brown leather trim, and if you watch my unboxing video I mentioned how this was third time lucky because I bought two other luxury bags very similar but nowhere near as nice as this previously over the last couple of years, and neither of them worked out for me. I returned both of them because they just weren't right, and when I saw that this one was coming out, I messaged my client advisor Valentina and said, I want to get this bag, have you got it? And she said this is in the second drop of spring summer 24 I think. So at the time I messaged her, she hadn't got it, but she said, oh, I'll let you know as soon as it's in. And I went up to London to look at it. They didn't have this one in Harrods in the boutique. For some reason they didn't stock this one in the UK, but you could order it. So I looked at the mini version of this, fell in love with the mini, thought yeah, I love it, but I do want it in the regular size, definitely want it in the regular size, and ordered the regular size, and I love it. And I bought the strap that goes with it, the guitar strap. It's just brown with the Fendi FFs and the gold hardware, and it makes this bag so versatile. I used this on holiday in New York. It was just a perfect bag for sightseeing in New York, you know, in the summer. I used it in the summer for work. I used it in the summer for other things that I went out to. I adore this bag, and I'm so happy that I got it. You know, I finally got my raffia bag, and it's a Baguette, a Fendi Baguette, my favourite bag. So yeah, so happy I got this. Definitely one of my favourite purchases. And talking of New York, I picked this up in New York, didn't I? My green walk. I love the Chanel wallet on chain. I think it's such a great piece. I love my black one. I use it so much, and I really wanted to get one in another colour, and I didn't think I'd be able to. I just thought, you know, I'm not going to be able to drop that sort of money at the boutique as to what they are now, and I'm going to struggle to find a really good condition one, pre-loved for the right price. But we went to Fashion File in New York, and I found this, and yeah, I'd seen it on the website already. I knew it was one that I wanted to have a look at. It was the one that I had in my head that if I was going to get a wok, it would probably be this one. You know, there was the pink one that you know, I considered for a little while, but ultimately it had to be this one. It had to be my green one. So yeah, I love it. Look at this colour, it's so gorgeous. And then when I got this, of course, I did my luxury shoe buying mega search, because I just had to get shoes that go with this, and I ended up getting a pair of Gucci slides, and I've also got my Fendi Calibris, which have got the beautiful green in as well. So yeah, yeah, very happy with my wallet on chain in the beautiful green. And talking of my Fendi Calibris in green, yes, they were a brilliant buy, and yeah, maybe they should be in this video because they were certainly one of my favourite buys this year. But my ultimate favourite buy, because it's the same green, is my Fendi Baguette in Celeria, but in the green, this beautiful green, with the matching strap that I managed to get from Bicester Village, even though this was spring summer 23, I think, wasn't it? This was, but Bicester Village had the strap, so I'm so thrilled that I was able to get the strap. I got this baguette from Japan, from the lovely Una in Japan, and the price of the strap and the baguette together was such a great deal. The two together were a lot less than what I would have spent had I bought a Fendi regular size Celeria baguette with a strap U from the boutique. So yeah, absolutely love this, and it's got the silver hardware. My favourite is silver hardware, so I have baguettes now with gold and with silver hardware. Yeah, so it definitely was a baguette year last year. I've got these two beauties, and then as I say, got my Chanel. They were my 3 luxury bags that I bought last year. So yeah, so 3 luxury bags I bought, very high-end luxury bags, and then I did buy 2 Longchamp bags last year. I bought the Essentials tote bag and I bought the travel bag. But yes, I didn't have a very high bag buying year last year. As I say, 3 luxury bags, but you know, I was very thoughtful, very considered, and I'm very happy with the 3 luxury bags I got last year. And obviously green was definitely a theme because 2 of them are green, but they're different greens. It's fine, they're different greens, and they're totally different bags. See, look, they are very different greens, and they're very different bags as well, different occasions. So yeah, I can definitely justify getting 2 green bags, but I'm definitely on the green train at the moment. Anyway, so as I say, they are my favourite purchases. I have got many other purchases from last year that I love. For example, I've got one sitting here now, my passport cover from Louis Vuitton with the Colour Mania pink on it. Absolutely love that as well. So I've got lots of really great purchases from last year, but I just thought I'd share with you those few that were my absolute top favourite purchases, and yeah, that I'm so happy and that just bring me joy that I got them last year, along with all the other things I got. If I'd have shown you everything, this video would have gone on too long, so I had to narrow it down a bit. Let me know what you bought last year that brought you absolute joy, and if you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you everyone for watching as ever. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because if you haven't watched them already, All of these purchases had an unboxing, so if you go back on my channel you will find the unboxings, and if I can find them I will link them down below. So yeah, thank you as I say for watching. I do appreciate it, and I really look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye everyone.